Hello, my name is Sandy Esprit. I am doing something a little different. We are doing a nail polish review. I got inspired to do a holiday mani DIY because I really just wanted to anchor and continue on the Christmas spirit. So we're doing a polished and perfected DIY manicure. If you have not done so already, please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget the notification bell. We are listening to some Christmas music. I'm a big NSYNC girl, in case you didn't realize. So that's what I'm blasting. So first things first, of course, on clean nails, I have fallen in love with the OPI gel-like system there, and I'm using the base coat as my first as the first lacquer on. So this is part of the OPI Infinite Shine system, and it features the base coat, the top coat, the lacquer. I'm using Shimmer Takes All, but starting off with the base coat here, and it's designed to give you this gel-like shine, a long-lasting wear, all without a UV lamp. And so today I decided, you know what, I want that shine. I want the shine, all of the shine this holiday season. So this is what I'm applying. Now, as you can see, the base coat applies beautifully. It's thin and it dries quickly. Preps the nail for a smooth application. And that's one of the first things I noticed right away when I started using this system is just how conveniently it is made. The brush itself is big enough. It's not too thin, it's not too wide, it's not too thick, so it provides enough of coverage for an even coating. Now, I'm not left-handed, so the right hand is easy enough, but when it comes to the left hand, I'm a bit of a klutz. I've been trying to grow out my nails, and one of the things that I've noticed that's really helped keep me from biting my nail, if you're a nail biter, you understand what I'm talking about. One of the things that's helped me not bite my nails is to do my nails. And so anytime I get a little bit of length, I like to go ahead and use and apply, like to give myself a DIY mani. Also, it's a lot cheaper than going into a nail salon when you can get it for yourself. I would also like to state that I did receive these in PR back in the early fall. So thank you, OPI, and thank you, Essie, for sending these to me. I've been enjoying them all throughout the fall season, and I'm so grateful that I can go ahead and add a bit of Christmas cheer on my nails. It just makes things a lot easier and it makes my nails look pretty. So yeah, I really wanted to go for a mint, a teal, like a cross between mint and soft icy princess blue. So that's why we went with these shades. Now my hands have now been prepped. You can see the shine from the jump. This is shade Shimmer Takes All from the OPI Infinite Shine. This is the gel-like lacquer. And I first thought that this white was like a white color. I was like, oh, okay, this is white. But this actually has some shimmer 3D flecks that I really, really liked. The lacquer is absolutely beautiful. I thought that this shiny, shimmery, cool toned white was so pretty. The brush is wide enough to cover the nail evenly. And you can see just one coat, just how pigmented it is. In order to completely cover the nail bed with the pigment, I would have to apply two coats, but I didn't want to do that since I was going to be use a different lacquer. Just off of that one shade, though, you can see how it's reflecting off the light, and it is so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. Just to be able to go in and apply it. Also, it makes my nails look really, really pretty, which I'm like, Doesn't really happen too often there. And so, yeah, just going in and applying, trying to be as neat as possible. I tend to be a very messy manicurist, especially when doing it to my own nail. And I didn't have to worry too much about making sure that the nail bed was covered evenly because sometimes it gives off of a weird thickness levels, if you understand what I mean. Like some parts will be thicker than others, and the coverage isn't as proper. So I like that the brush, you can control how much you put on there. If you want to go for sheer, you can take some off the brush. Also, there's enough time. It doesn't like dry instantly, so there's enough time to fix the evenness. So I'm sure I'm not even applying this properly. I see some of the girlies come on here and the way they apply their nail polish is superb. But this is as best as we gonna get. This particular shimmer white has this really nice tint of almost indigo, ultraviolet. It's very cool toned, and I really thought it was great for this season. Sometimes I tend to second guess the colors and I wonder maybe this is too much. It's a little extra. Especially like during the fall season when I wore it, I was just like, I don't know, this might be a little too much. It's too extra, it's too white. But during this holiday season, I feel like it blends in very well. And the color just goes well with almost every outfit I have planned. It's not necessarily during the fall, I mean, it's very much browns and oranges or bright reds, vampy. But during the holiday season, you can go ahead and experiment with the colors, with the lacquers, and see, how it can play into the season, right? Like there is the snow, and the snow is white. Snow shines, so it's like little snowflakes on your fingers. I don't know. It's just really, really pretty to me. And I just really enjoyed how easy it was to apply on my finger and the shine. The pigment, the shine for me was everything. This made it really easy and convenient for me to do my nails. Also, anytime I get a chance to do a bit of self-care is lovely. I get to sit, I get to think, I get to reflect, I get to breathe. So that was really nice to be able to just sit down and just breathe, just to think and just affirm myself, force myself to just be kind to myself. So that was really, really nice. So after applying the nail polish or the gel lacquer, I'm gonna give it a minute, give my nails a minute to just dry. This is what my nails look like. And so I decided to go in for a second coat. The second coat really drives it home. You're gonna see the difference is very, it's there. It covers completely. So just two coats just to ensure that the pigment sticks and really shines. Now my camera's a little out of focus. I apologize about that. But we're here for smooth application. That's all it is. So here is the nail after 2 coats, looking like pearls. I absolutely love it. It's really, I just find it to be very pretty. So before I apply the top coat, I'm using the Essie Mystic Marine, and I'm applying it over the gel lacquer from OPI. And the Mystic Marine I find reflects really, really pretty, and it gives it this chrome-like finish. So the teal, I don't know what it is, but like anybody with color theory, I'm sure you're gonna be able to explain this. I don't know anything about color theory, so I'm not even gonna attempt. But there's something about the teal and the shimmers, the way they interact with each other is, I just find it to be so very beautiful. It's got this nice ultraviolet tinge to it when these two lacquers meet. One thing that I really like about the Essie nail polish, Shimmer Takes All, is that it is, no, that's not Shimmer Takes, this is Mystic Marine, sorry. One thing I like about is how mesmerizing it is. This one also dries surprisingly quickly, and it is very, like, it's just so pretty on the nail. And the shift in color for me is what sold me. I just found it to be so absolutely so gorgeous, and it's just really on trend for the holiday season. And it's not just like a holiday color for me. I find it to be a beautiful winter shade. Like, just you can see the difference between Mystic Marine on top of Shimmer Takes All and just Shimmer Takes All. It's a slight difference, but just the way the colors play in the light is, for me, is what it was all about. And yes, I am very much a messy messy DIY manicurist. I don't have any of those nail bed covers, the ones that like protect the nail bed and keep your nails looking all pretty and perfect. Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to start investing in one of those things. But until then, we will have some slight coloring outside of the nail bed. Like, it is what it is. I'm not, it is what it is. So last but not least, this is what it looks like first off. Just with the nail polish. So last but not least, I'm using the Infinite Shine from OPI. This is the top coat, just to seal it off and to finish it all off. So the top coat just seals everything. It also has a wide, like a good brush coverage. It's not too big, it's not too thin, and it is a thin coat. It's not thick, which I really, really like. Some lacquers, especially some top coats, are like really thick and they dry very slowly. This one applies thinly as well, and it seals the colors really, really, really beautifully. It dries fast as well, which I did not expect, because sometimes some top coats take forever ever too dry. It is very frustrating, especially when you're just trying to give yourself a nice quick mood boost, and this mood boost becomes a inconvenience. Something that was supposed to be very convenient becomes a hassle because now you're stuck, you can't move, you can't breathe, or you're just aggressively breathing on your nails, hoping that the nail lacquer or the top coat dries quickly and so that you can go about your business, but this one definitely is made with like, you could tell that they made this knowing that, hey, we're doing this and we got things to do. This is just a quick dopamine boost. This is something we do, take a minute for ourselves, and then we go about our business, whatever that business may be. I don't know if you've ever been caught in that situation, but I know for me, I made the mistake of doing my nails right before going to bed, thinking my nails were dry, and then waking up and there's this weird crinkly looking effect on my nails. It can be very frustrating, to say the least. So I'm glad that I don't have to do those mistakes anymore. I have learned my lesson, giving myself about like 5-10 minutes between after applying the top lacquer, and it just seals it in, seals in the color, provides that added shine, and there you have it. This is the finished product. The nails look beautiful, like pretty little pearls. I wasn't sure how to pose for this particular part, so my hands are doing all kinds of crazy things. But yeah, that's it. That's my nail polish holiday inspired review. Please take a minute to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and the notification bell. And I will see you guys next time. Ciao for now.